enjoyed most that there was time for discussion. Not only discussion within the room, and floor speakers and so on, but there was time allocated for discussion. It was called a vendor viewing. However, not only you could discuss with vendors, but with the lecturers in a more relaxed way. You cannot come here without receiving something. Whatever place you have in the pharmaceutical industry. Maybe more, but at least one that is granted. And for vendors and providers, they shall have so many business partners.
My aim was here to meet vendors. The Congress was excellently organized. I had opportunity before the Congress to set my timetable, my responsibility for the maintenance and request for quotation, plan for investment. We had a very friendly atmosphere and conversation and meeting, exchange ideas, and was very successful.
It's an interesting event, different than the other events that I'm aware of, and actually attractive. It's a very good event, well organized. You have the chance not only to listen to speakers, but also at the same time you can meet with people in the industry, that we have to be together, we network together, find common solutions, and the solutions outside the conference room, there are the companies offering the solutions. So it's like the shampoos, 2 in 1. This is fantastic. I do believe, and I'm a promoter of networking.
So I've really enjoyed coming here because it's a very broad agenda. Quite often you go to a lot of conferences and they're very much, very API focused or very formulation focused or analytical focused, but there's a bit of everything here across the whole supply chain, from raw materials through to finished products and supply. So I've really enjoyed the breadth of the conference. I think it's actually the way that the program is structured is probably makes it more effective. There's a lot more time built into the program for being able to talk and network with people, and that's a really good thing. It's also a great location. Yeah, absolutely. I would like to attend next year.
I will say that the excellent organization, also very specific situation when you have plenty of time to meet and talk with the people. Breaks are long and it's time for discussion. I would like to be up to date, so I will join the next meeting with pleasure.
For me, it was a very, very interesting possibility to meet many vendors. We are in Hungary, in Budapest, and it was a very good time to organize meeting with different kind of vendors. So I enjoyed all the meetings and I am very happy to meet with the famous companies.
I enjoyed typically a good mixture, a combination here of valuable discussion together with a good selection of high-level exhibitors to understand the specific requirements of the biopharmaceutical industry.
First of all, it's a very well-organized meeting. I found the quality of the organization quite well. And it's a good event because it brings together, let's say, the different disciplines. And it's a kind of unique event for me, at least, that it focuses only on Central Europe, which I think it was a gap that we didn't really know much about us in this region, although we are here and we could improve our cooperation. I really enjoyed these 2 days. The presentations were really interesting and very good quality, and the setting, it really enhanced the possibility of networking. So definitely I think this is something which I will attend, and I would recommend everyone else to attend.